Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I just wanted to put together a card made with this accent strip, and this is just absolutely gorgeous. It's made with a piece of the lovely lipstick foil sheets that you can earn for free with a qualifying $50 purchase from Stampin' Up! Through March 31st. And it's the lovely lipstick, and let me show you a piece before it's embossed. Okay, it's beautiful in and of itself, and it's got a sort of matte metallic finish versus the Grapefruit Grove, which is a very awesome shiny metallic finish. Just two different looks. So I took a piece, it's 2 by 5 1/4, and I ran it through the Big Shot with this beautiful new dynamic textured impressions embossing folder that's in the Occasions catalog. It's called Lace, and it is gorgeous, and you can see it made a gorgeous impression there. And so let's just put it together on a card, okay? I'm starting with a crumb cake piece of cardstock cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. And so I'm just going to fold that in half there. Find my bold folder and give it a good crease. And I've taken a piece of the All My Love Designer Series paper from the Occasions catalog. It's cut at 4 by 5 1/4 to mount on the front side of that crumb cake card base. Let's just add a little bit of Tombow glue and center that on the front of the card. Okay, I'm going to hold it there just a second. Now I'm going to take the embossed piece, and it has lots of little indentations and ridges, so I really would use either tear-in tape on this, or as you see here, I'm using some of our liquid glue, and I'm trying to be fairly generous with it so it'll have a good stick. And I'm going to come toward the right side of that designer paper and leave about a ½ inch on this right hand side edge, and I'm just going to hold it down just a bit. It's a thick piece of foil cardstock, good weight, and just really pretty, and you can do so many different things with it. I love the embossed look with it though. It's so pretty. Okay, now I have some elements that I have used from the Meant to Be bundle. This is also in the Occasions catalog, perfect for Valentine's. And I'm going to be making a card, a Valentine card for a friend. Okay, so now that we have our backdrop, I stamped this little floral heart image on Whisper White and then die cut it with the coordinating framelit, okay, and cut that heart out. So I have that, and then there's another little framelit that cuts this heart with a scalloped and a stitched edge, and then it leaves a solid heart shape from here that you can save and use on another project. Okay, so I'm going to use that on the front, and then a sentiment just on a 3/4 inch wide piece of the crumb cake cardstock, and I inked that up with the lovely lipstick. And so we're going to combine all these images and die cuts, and then we will put a sentiment. So the first one I want to add is what I want to be on the bottom, and that is this crumb cake outline stitched heart. So I'm going to just very carefully add some adhesive, and you could also use fine tip glue with the little needle point edge. This is what I have on my desk though, so I'm going with it. Alright, and I'm going to angle it just a bit and press down and hold it, okay? Let it have a chance to adhere. Okay, then I want to take this little floral heart and put some adhesive on that. And let's go ahead and attach that like this at an angle going toward the right this time. Hold it down for a bit. Okay, then let me put my sentiment. Again, I'm just going to use the liquid glue and then hold that down. I want it extending a bit beyond the foil here. So I'm just going to hold it down a bit. And then next what I did is I took one of the All My Love ribbons from the combo set. It has Calypso Coral and this lovely lipstick stitched piece. And so I folded it in half, okay, then gave it an angle cut there and took some of our Whisper White Baker's twine and tied it around the center to come up with this little accent piece. And that's going to go right here and come down to touch the edge of the sentiment, okay? And to add that, I'm just going to use a mini glue dot. So let's find one here on my roll. Here we go. And I'm going to go behind that baker's twine where it's gathered up. And I might even use two. Okay, so I'm going to come right here and just press down. And so you have some layered pieces and interesting angles and shapes to give your card some interest. Okay, and I'm going to show you another finished one to show you the inside. I just stamped that heart again, and then to give some of these little floral images color, I took my blender pen and I'm going to do this one right here. It's just the outline image, okay, but I'm going to take my blender pen and just rub it over that stamped image, and it's pulling some of that ink to color in that rose, okay? And you can do as much or as little as you'd like. I see another one here that I'd like to do. Okay, and there's a finished card. Okay, I hope you like that idea, and we'll take a look at that Lace Dynamic Textured Impressions embossing folder in the holiday catalog. I'll have the product link here below the video on YouTube in the details in the description, and then also over on my blog at inkandinspirations.com. I'll have all the project details listed there. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you'll be back to watch again. Take care. Bye-bye.